Hello, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this from.
I have so many you can play.
So, we want to make
Sing
liquid
on, I don't know if it's
soup
sing on roll.
of volume 20 liters. So, these are the chemicals. They are all labeled. So, I'm going to describe each label by their names. So you pay attention to it as it will be displayed on the screen. So these are all the quantity for all the materials that is needed for a volume of 20 liters. But you can still produce up to 40 liters depending on how thick you want this mixture to be. So let's get started. So first, I'll start with 15 liters of water. Then I'll go in with item label number 1. So item label number 1 will first go into the mixture of 15 liters. Since it's a volume of 20 liters I want to make, so I'll go in with this in a 15 liters of water. Then I'll mix it thoroughly. Mix it thoroughly. Make sure that there is no lump inside. Ensure that it is thoroughly mixed, guys. There is no lump inside. Make sure it is thoroughly mixed.
Remember, what's it, Baba? Number 2 and 3 should be mixed together. This number 2. And
so this is item label 2 and 3. So you have to dissolve it separately in a small bowl. This mixture, guys, is acidic, so you have to be very, very careful when handling this. It can be very hot, that if it touches your skin, it could burn your skin. So guys, you need to be very, very careful when handling this particular mixture. So you dissolve it, the number 2 and 3 separately in a bowl. Ensure that all lumps are properly dissolved.
Video in. This is acid. It was like fire.
I think the thing splashed on me. Oh boy, the thing was hot too. It was really, really hot.
I don't see that stone. Get one small stone.
At the point, I had to douse it with cold water. That's the little spot that it touched on my skin with cold water because it was hot.
Is that what?
See?
You're doing. I see water.
My hand was really hot. I had to douse my hand with cold water. So So after it's been properly dissolved, I have to pour it into the mixture. Take note, guys. First, I went in on a 15 liter of water with item label number 1. First, mix it thoroughly. In item label number 2 and 3, I mix it separately in a bowl before pouring it in, as I'm doing like right now. So you now, after doing that, you now pour it, turn it, and ensure that everything is well combined.
This is not go pass. This is not pass 20 liters. Where is it give me?
Then I'll go in with item number 4. Item number 4 is in a liquid form, so it doesn't need to be dissolved anyhow, dissolved at all. So you just pour it in directly because it's in liquid form already. So you pour in the mixture of item label number 4 directly into the bowl. So far we've gotten item number 1, item number 2, 3, which was dissolved separately in a bowl and poured in. Then this is now item number 4 that's going in now. Okay, item number 4. Then item number 5 and 6 should be dissolved separately first in a small bowl.
Yeah, video,
before pouring it in. That's item number 5 and 6. Dissolve it separately in a little bowl.
And this kind of got cousin. The video back. Is he video? You should know when he stopped to. Yeah, video. Kevin! Did you see the video? I put in this here, I'm making use of it. Like what outcome keep. Now when you can't hide people. So childish. 5 and 6 combined. Is this a video? 7.
So then I'm going with number 7. Number 7 is in liquid form, so you just pour it in directly. And this item too was pretty hot. I think touched my skin a little, but it's okay. We move. So we'll mix this together, turn it very well until it is well combined. At this point, I realized that it was so thick, but then I had to continue. It shows that with this volume, I can actually produce 40 liters from it if it was for commercial purpose. So this is number 8.
Because it's my green. I don't tire for. See, I say someone said hello. This person there. I can do plenty. I need to
So I was looking for a way to dilute it because what I had there was kind of thick. So I had it was all I need to add plenty of water. So that's item number 8.
Gently. Are you videoing? That's 20 liters.
So the reason I had to dissolve it first was in powder form. You don't pour powder form already in liquid bowl of mixture. If not, the result will not be okay. To have a lot of lump. You have to first of all dissolve it separately in the water, turn it to liquid form before pouring it into the bowl.
Kevin.
The reason why we started that first one with pouring in the first container, number 1, into the main bowl was because it was the first one and it needed to be diluted in that volume of water.
Since I will give people.
If you use a smaller quantity volume of water to dilute that one, to cake, to cake and everything will just be mixed. So I had to add more water to lighten it a bit, but it was still very, very thick, guys. If you are making this for commercial purpose, of course you cannot make this kind of thickness. You have to dilute it. You have to thin it out very well. But this one is for home use, so I don't not really mind.
No, I don't need that.
So this is item number 9 and 10. So I'll pour them in. They are in liquid form, so I'll just pour them in directly.
Is it thick? You say that 25 liters. With that black one we used to do one.
That's item number 10 that just went in, guys. Item number 10. So at this juncture, our liquid soap is ready. You can see it is very thick. Like I said, if you are making this for commercial purpose, you can actually produce this quantity up to 40 liters. Yes, you can add enough water. You can still add more water and turn it gently so it doesn't foam. It doesn't foam while at it. So you can see how thick it is. So that's it. So I decided to share it with my neighbors, you know.
Go ahead.
Throw it away. How many? Kevin. Respect yourself. Respect yourself. Yes!
So you can actually start a mini business with this. Seriously, it is not hard to make.
It
is not hard to make. You
Close
can just actually start a mini business with this. You can produce this, get your own bottle, get your own label. Produce this, pour it in those bottles, label them properly, and supply them to supermarkets. Seriously, guys, it's a way of making cool cash. So that's how foamy. Can you see how foamy it is? Very, very okay.
This one.
See how foamy guys.
Oh yeah, pause.
See how foamy. Just a little quantity that I use to wash this. See how foamy it is. So foamy. So that's it, guys.